Back arguing with a veterinarian. What's new? Fucking doctors. Give me a break. Waited all this time to get the cyst drained on my dog. They won't drain the cyst. Oh, they have to test it first. It's such a joke. They just try to extract money from you. Just like all these YouTube Jimmies extracting money from their community with all these fucking affiliate links and whatnot. Screw veterinarians. That's all I got to say. Fuck them. Doctors in general. Fuck them. It's a business. We forgot about that. They don't want people healthy. They'd be out of business, right? All right, let's see here. What's going on in these markets? Got SPY up on the daily. Let's do a quick little workflow here. It's good. Good. This local high here on SPY, right? Not creating any hidden bear yet. Both lower highs so far on the Z-scores too. No problem. Random walk. Okay. Actually, yeah, there was the bull div to pop this thing yesterday. All right, there was the bull div right there. Let me take a look. Yep, as soon as it crosses zero mean, we were watching this live. As soon as it crossed, boom, SPY took off the top side all day. All day. Nailed those calls yesterday. Bought a couple, what were those? Three, I think 434 puts or something. They were on sale. Literally like 8 cents or something. So I'm pretty, no, 6 cents. 6 cents. So I lost $12 out of the 200 I made on the calls. That's what it's all about. Take your profit, limit your loss. Obviously that risk management was built in. That was a YOLO at the end of the day. You never know, man. Could have got a nice little dump at the end of the day, and the puts could have paid off. Let's see this 4 hour here. But just looking at the VRE, I was like, yeah, I had to jump on a call already. Just one contract. So last 4 hour candle definitely closed above that 9 log MA, sitting right at it right now. As you can see, the 33 power mean. I mean, look at both these 4 hour candles wicked right to it. Big bounce right to the 9. The last 4 hour candle on the day had a nice little pump. What did that baby go up to? Almost 436 3/4. Pulled back about half. Had a little morning, pre-market dumperoo to the downside. But look, I mean, you got freaking VIX at 13.64, already down 0.66% today. Intraday is up 1.34 though. Okay, got a battle of the volatilities. What's new? Look at my gold. Not my gold. Look at the gold. What, 1908, huh? That baby's going to be, let's hit that number today. How's that? We'll check out gold here in a sec. Let me finish this workflow. What do we got? It looks like correlation's about to break on this contraction. Let's see. Mid-length. Ooh. Starting to expand, negatively correlated, but 2400's contracting, negatively correlated. What are you going to see here? You literally got... I mean, this low length is kind of flat now. Okay, this is the power. This is the power of the 2400 saying walk up, right? Look at this bear wick this thing left behind. Yeah, 2400 sucking this thing up. The other two lengths are definitely pushing it down. Definitely pushing it down. Here it goes again. Let's see what happens.
She wouldn't eat it plain, so I put it on her food, and she won't eat it.
Well, she might be full. Bring it down to her.
I will.
Sit it by her. She'll eat it. Did you already put it on her back?
No, I haven't done that.
All right. Let's see. So that was the 4 hour. Let's go to the 90 minutes. Yeah, we all need structure, Warlord. Felt naked this morning not doing this stream. There's no doubt about it. Well, here I am an hour late. It's all good, man. I got to tell the vet to fuck off and everything. I mean, what a joke, man. I set up the only reason I took the dogs in there is to get her cyst drained. Oh, I'm not going to drain it. I was like, so you're going to drain the cyst? Oh, no, we got to test it first. Why? She's 14. I don't care what it is. I just want it drained. Oh, no, well, to drain it, we have to test it. They're just trying to extract money from people. It's a joke, man. She was rude as shit. She got the Kraken was definitely released. She was not very happy with me. Boy, now that would have been a lot better if we got this baby all the way up top side of the power mean band. It doesn't really matter. Look on this 90 minute, right? Pre-market gaps right down. That's the 33 log MA and the reverse wave trend. Wick right to it, pulling back up. On the 90, that'll have to hold. SPY's going to do anything to the top side today. But if it does take off, watch out, man. Watch out. This thing can make a run up top side of the power mean band on the 90. What have we done? 437.5. Obviously, these markets are in total disarray, right? We know this. Thank God for the VEPS. What's everybody else doing out there, right? Everybody's super bearish on the markets. Oh, the economy this, the economy that. I'm telling you, man, markets don't care. Markets don't care. Good morning, Chris. There's the pet. Okay, beautiful. So on the 90-minute, that wick went down. Look where the wick went down on the 45-minute. Wick right to the top of the power mean band. Right now, it's pulling back up on the 45 to the reverse wave trend. Much time's left on this? 9 minutes. This 45-minute closes above that reverse wave trend. Look out. Look out. Let's see if the 33 tap. It went down into these moving averages. Bet it did. When you have leading information, workflows like this are freaking powerful, man. Can't teach how to read it. It'll come to you. You put work into this, man. You guys, I'm telling you. Come on, power mean band. Let's populate. SPY's being a honey badger. Jesus. Please. Come on. Populate, you little booger. There we go. Actually, reverse wave trend. Yeah, but you can see the wick right to the 9 log MA. You've literally got the 33 getting ready to cross up. Let me make sure here. It's the 9. That's the 99. Yeah, 33 is getting ready to cross up to 99. Boy, God bless these reverse wave trends. That thing probably would have went down to 334. Let's see. If it kicks it up from the top side here, just going to show really what's going on. Let me see here. Any div? Yeah, man, a lot of hidden bull. Hidden bull, nice pop off these reverse wave trends would be nice, indeed. Got the lower length Laplace Z-score popping up from the 90% confidence interval on some hidden. All right, lower low on the oscillator, higher lows on the data set. That's hidden divergence. Other way around for hidden bull, or hidden bull. Oh no, hidden bear. Jesus, you're gonna have a lower low on price action, higher low on the returns or lower low on the returns oscillator, higher. Let me see here. 33. Was that div? Is that on the 45 too? Yeah, man. Man, SPY set up a lot of strong hidden bull. Was it on the 92? Yes, it was. Boy, this thing's ripe to turn around here. I wouldn't buy a put right now to save my life. Not saying this thing can't go down. I'm just telling you what the VEPS are telling me. That's all. There's more hidden. Look at this. This is perfect on the 15-minute. Look at you. Now, if I'm ever drawing trend lines, it's going to be on oscillators. All right, it's going to be on oscillators. Look at these perfect lower lows. This another 15-minute, right? Pre-market. 3 wicks into the reverse wave trend. Bears, you better kick it up a notch. These bulls are going to run right through your ass. Especially VIX, man, kind of just going sideways. All right, so that's a daily workflow. I got my bias for sure. But this is why we trade low time frame volatility. We always take our profits. We take them often, and we will limit losses. You get bad entries, man, just get out of the position. Correlation can break, right? Correlation can break on volatility moves. Happens all the time. Just 9-minute doing. Yeah, there was the hidden right there, trying to get this thing popped up. But now, what's it setting up now? See, on these low time frames, starting to set up a little bit of hidden bear. You're going to get a higher high on the return or on the returns oscillator, lower high on the data set. So SPY is going to make a move. It needs to do it. Definitely needs to do it. Trend on this down move is trying to look at turning up. Would have been a little better to hit this 2 SD band and bounce from there. But yeah, see how it works out. Let's see the 6-minute. What is definitely setting up some hidden. Look at the returns oscillator, man. Turning back up. It's top side of the power mean band. Up there about 436, huh? 436. See this choppy 3-minute here. No. Clean charts. Clean charts down here on low time frames. Okay. It's actually about all I needed to see. All I needed to see. Let's bounce back up here on the daily. Hit gold up. Come on, gold. I'm telling you, man. Just bleeding ass stuff. What's the volatility doing? Well, it's pretty low. Pretty low. Actually, the 981 could be ebbing and flowing into a dump. 2400's contracting positive too. When you're contracting positively correlated, you're usually getting ready to ebb and flow right into a negatively correlated expansion. We know that's a downside move. But flat line on the low length, right? Flat volatility negatively correlated. So it's gonna that we're getting a nice little doji, and that's what you're gonna see. Dun, 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 dun. That's a daily. That's good. You're below the power mean band though. Below the power mean band. Let me see this on the 5-day. See how close we're getting. Whew, close. Close. 2 days, 7 hours for this thing to close. I'm telling you, man, this is going to tap. 1893. It might only get down here to this 33 log MA, man. It almost shot down there. What's that at? 1899. A little bit under 19. I would not be shocked, though, to get a quick. You know how gold's been doing it lately, right? You go to low time frames, you'll see these little dump candles. I bet this baby could do it. I'm going to create a little range here about 1885 to about 1900. Right in that. That's where I want to wick to. You can see the last time it came down and retested that reverse wave trend, it bounced big time. Power mean band's still strong. You got a couple. You got maybe the first, right? The lowest length starting to turn down. No problem. That thing can flip right back up just as quick. And that's on a 5-day. Yeah, right on the close. Okay. I'm telling you, man, look at dude, this thing is building bull div like crazy. Locally, right? These levels right here from this first pullback. These are all lower lows. All right, look at this. Boom, boom, boom. Getting ready to cross the zero mean. Let's get this test in. At least 1900, just a tick below. That would be the local low. You hit 19. I would be fine with that, to be honest. It would be fine. Now, if I was looking to make an investment in gold, not trading it, if I was looking to just stack some gold, I'd be comfortable there. I'd be comfortable right around 1900. I mean, guys, we're talking $8 though. You want to go buy gold, knock yourself out. I'm not into it, but that's okay. All right, we did the daily, 5-day. Let's see this 4-hour. Yeah, bull div, man. But it is setting up hidden, right? Sets up hidden bear. That's all you see here. These are all divergence plays. All these little moves. So here comes the hidden bear. Let's see if this returns oscillator turns down. Could get that move in 19 if this crosses zero mean. Hell, you could get more than that. I'm telling you, man, this thing could get down to that lower level. Like I said, about 1885. Let's see here. Wow, look at this doji on the freaking 90-minute. Hold, you'll be able to see it right here. So you're contracting. You're contracting on the low length, negatively correlated, expanding on the high length. Yeah, kind of flat, 981. Actually, it is an expanding 2400. Let me blow this up real quick, get a better look. Yeah, little expansion, little contraction. Yeah, that's why we're seeing this massive doji. You can see the rejection off of the bottom side of the power mean band too. Let's get this over with, gold. Do your thing, man. Do your thing. Get her done. And you can see, right? Why'd this 45-minute pop up here like this? Look at the bounce off the zero mean on bull div. Beautiful thing. Ton of bull div. Get this over with real quick. Dip down there. Maybe drop 20 points. 10 to 20. I'm telling you, this bull div will play out. Look out, man. What's this VIX doing? Is it going down some more? What's Dixie doing? It was up a little more. It's starting to pull back. It broke 103, though. We're going into it next. Probably should have popped on it first, but it's all good. Not actively trading gold, so I'm just doing this for the gold bugs. There's the hidden right here. Look out, gold. 33-minute, man. When's this close? 15 minutes? You're probably going to cross the zero mean. Going to get some continuation to get that move. Let's get your butt down there, gold. Show the power of the VEPS. Show the power of the VEPS. See, it's already crossing on the 15. Not any div. You can see higher highs. Not any div, but it doesn't matter. The zero means powerful. Once you understand what it really is, everybody has their revelation. You'll be coming in the chat. Hey, I get it. Yes, you do. Okay, rejecting off of the 15-minute reverse wave trend, top side of the power mean band. What do we got down here? 1906. Let me check this 4-hour one more time. It's below the power mean band. And here's what I'm about to do to populate real quick. Yeah, so when you're below all these power mean bands, right, there's no target besides the 5-day, right? Besides that 5-day. So what I want to do is throw gold up real quick here on the RMLR. Dun 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 dun. See where these babies are. Okay, you're below on the daily, the 5-day real quick. And I saw somebody in the chat earlier, and Yasha, if you're listening, turn one off. Don't fry these people's braids. Look at this, 30 power mean. Literally on the 5-day was calling the 30 power mean to get tested. Let me see, what's the 1 SD on the 5-day? Look at that. I'm telling you, man, this would be perfect. Get a wick down here on this 5-day candle. First standard deviation to the downside is about 1892. That is perfect right there. I would love to see that, and I think we're going to get it. But don't be surprised if it pulls back up quick. See, you already got a wick below it. So, have returns mean reverted to the 30 power mean? Absolutely. Absolutely. Let me turn off the 11 length, put the 30 on. And there it gives a nice bounce area here. 1970, huh? Woo! Gold's going to be wrecking, folks, when this bounces. For sure. That's a problem with bulls and bears, man. They don't have leading information. This is why people buy tops and sell bottoms. This is why people get wrecked. Trying to help you one trader at a time. Let's see the daily. Give me a good target. I wonder if the lower length is below. Nope. Okay, which is even more powerful. Let's turn all these off now that I know they've even on the daily. Whoops, I turned off my ranges. I wanted the RML off. There we go. Turn that baby off. What's a 95 for Laplace? There we go, 1886. So if this daily candle, if gold can run it down here, and we already know, right, on the 5-day, that was the first standard deviation, right about same area. Okay, it's enough seeing gold. It's about what I thought. Gold is who we thought it was. Let's see here. Hey! Okay, SPY, what are you doing? So, top of the weekly range, center of the weekly range. SPY gets some boots on. I'm looking for a top side, first resistance level on the weekly. Look where the top side of the 68.3 is. All right, look where the top side of the 68.3 is, 437 3/4. Beautiful. All right, Dixie. Level in the daily volatility range. Got a wick right to it. Starting to pull back a little bit. That's what I was waiting for. You see, this got a little ahead of itself, pulled back, found support on this monthly resistance level that does flip support. There you go. It bounced. But then you hit the second resistance level. You can see what's happening right now. The bears are dug in up here at the second resistance level on the daily. Bulls resituated themselves right here at this, now it is support. Can break it, though. It's going to take a volatile move. Going to take a volatile move. And which one is it? Let's make sure. Let's just see which resistance level that is. Where's that monthly at, man? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Wait a minute. Oh, guys. That's right. That's the monthly range. That's the bottom of it. My bad. There's the center. So this definitely will, if it breaks, I'm surprised this baby even made it through and found support. I'm telling you, man, these bears definitely going to try to push it down below the monthly. This is going to determine a lot right here, because if it can sustain itself, now today, do I think it'll bust up through the center of the monthly? Probably not, but we got a couple more days. These bears let the bulls keep this thing up here. It's going to get real interesting in Dixieland. Although we know, worthless paper, man. Nothing's backing this shit show. All right. VIX 0.73, huh? Very interesting. You see Dixie up here. Where you at? We're just going the 4-hour. Show me the money. Little outlier on this 4-hour candle. Man, look at all the bull div, man. We were talking about yesterday. Dixie was going to pop. Did it? Yeah, it did. Yes, it did. Be surprised to see what the old. Let's see here. Whoa, where'd you go, baby? Where did you go? Where did you go? Yeah. So the returns oscillator from the first dump setting up bull the whole time. RSI, no bull div at all. All lower lows. Oh, but here's a higher. Yeah, well, so is the data set. This is what we talk about. And here, you know what? Forgot to change it up. This might get a little in there, so you might see a little bit. Let me get this down on the 7. See if it changed up. Nope, even got worse. Look, literally no divergence on the RSI. All lower lows is a data set. Look at the returns oscillator, showing you the real divergence between price action and returns. Not price action and strength of price or relative. Guys, do you know the guy that created the RSI was a failed engineer because you have such shitty math? But hey, it's okay. Everybody and their brother's using this indicator. Not alpha trading, man. And this is why most of the times people are on the other side of the trades. And we say this all the time. Guys, the smart ones are going to get this. They're going to stay. They're going to want to learn. Okay? But let me halt that for a second because I read something in the chat earlier. Guys, stop DMing with people. Shut your DMs off. Apparently somebody got scammed by a fake account. Because I know Sixon. Sixon would not scam anybody. It's a fake account. Somebody got scammed for like $500. Guys, you're your own bank, man. You are in charge of the security of your accounts. Stop letting the vampire in the front door. Stop DMing with people. Just know it. Us founders, we're never going to DM you. If anybody other members in the Discord is trying to DM you, immediately come into the general chat and tag him and say, hey, Sixon, is this really you? Do things like that. Don't get scammed. Please, don't get scammed. All right, so the 4-hour. No, it kind of flew off track. It's all good. Yeah, look at this expansion on 981, 525. We're getting some nice expansion with grade. It's proofs in the pudding. But look at the 2400. 2400 is kind of, yeah, it's saying up too because it's negatively correlated contracting. So that's good. Surprised we even get any bit of a wick up here at all. Oh boy, more and more I'm looking at this. Let's see where this reverse fissure is. Are we nailed on the 90? I don't think I've had enough coffee. Brap, 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 brap.
Brap.
There's the man. There's the brapster.
Yeah. I'll tell you later.
Yeah. It's all good. Let's see here. Nice trend still, too. On the 90 minute, this thing's below the 2SD trending. Man. No hidden bear either. No hidden bear. Could be a slow day for the markets, man. If anything, a little slow bleed out. Dixie's looking like it wants to do something, but it's outside the power mean band, so let's see on this 5-day with this if this is hitting anything. Bottom power mean band. What are you doing here? Reverse wave trend. Might take that back. I mean, it's up there about 103.4. But look at the 5-day. This power mean band's almost flipped totally bearish. I'm telling you, when that happens, man, you get spill outs big time.
So for me, I see the pseudo Laplace is okay. So I don't know the bottom left. Okay, so the one at the very bottom, I'm guessing it's along the length.
Yeah, 30.
Yeah, and then the one at the top is just going to be half that.
This is an 11 length.
Telling you, like if pseudo Laplace Z-score is going down through mean reversion, RO hit an outlier is looking for mean reversion. Obviously, there's volatility to expand on the bottom right.
Yeah.
But what would those two tell you? Sideways until stated otherwise?
That's exactly what I was about to say because look, returns oscillator up, right? Same length on the Z-score heading down. The other, the higher length Z-score is heading up. when what I like to see is when both these z-scores turn up, right? When both the z-scores turn up, and then on both. So I'm looking at the z-scores right about there. You can see where this the longer length turned
Yes.
up. Low length's already coming. What is setting up right here? Lower lows, bull div. As soon as it bounces right there, both z-scores are up. This is a no-brainer. This is what's great about the two z-scores and the returns oscillator. You get them all going in the same direction, and it is party time. Here's a good example. So you've got the low length up, the returns oscillator up. Look at the 30. It's having an outlier to the downside. Who won? Right? It just kept going down. Look at the returns. Boom, 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 boom. And so what does that set up? This is what's so powerful about this div. It set up hidden bear. And then it really, once it started rejecting off of the freaking reverse wave trend, dumped out, right, on the 5-day. And that's a hell of a move. These are 5-day candles. So yeah, and then you can see as soon as they're all, boom, the z-score turns up here, returns oscillator turns back up. Then right here, the 30 length pretty much pops. So, that would have been a little bit. We're talking a 5-day though, right? So this is just part of like a weekly workflow. I'm only going to look at this chart once. So yeah, but you kind of nailed it.
Sure.
That's what I used both these lengths for. I want to see them both going up, man. I'm not saying that this can't be going down when you start to get them, but look right here where that baby turns up. Boom, you get the move. You get the move. And you already got a bull div move popping. It wasn't right from the zero mean, but right when you get the freaking wave, the reverse Fisher test, that's when it shoots up the wave trend. And then the lower length z-score turns around. And it's above the 99% confidence interval. So that should tell you right there, okay. Especially when the returns oscillator turned down and it's positively correlated. Good times. Random walk on the daily too. Total random walk, I might add. Total. It's 435.30. It's trying. Let's see the 4 hour here. Oh, we already looked, I think, but yeah, that nice outlier. Nice little outlier. Yeah, look at the z-scores. Look at the returns oscillator coming off all that bull div. Powerful, man. Powerful little leading indicators. Yeah, it's enough on Dixie. I want to see VIX drop more. How low is this baby going to go? That's my question. Let's see if anything's moving. And when I first sat down, there was about a mixed bag, red and green. Yeah, man, some are bleeding, some aren't. What is going on with Microsoft? Man, Microsoft's still pushing. Pretty sure that was Earth Beer. Yeah, that's in that Microsoft. And I did read that. Just kind of tough what SPY was going to do. But yeah, I would definitely let this play out. I know you want to get out of that position. Looks like it's still climbing. I'll tell you what, man. Let's take a peek at it. Let's look at Microsoft. Let me throw this over here. Let's throw Microsoft up on VRE. Whoops, passed it. Oh, man, it's getting a hell of a bounce. Powerful. Look, you're in the weekly right now, man. You're right at the center of the weekly range. Boy, it's pushing too, man. Pushing right to the top, 337 area. It's 337.38. Is it going to reject here? Let's run a low. Let's start on the 4 hour. Nice. Outside the power mean band, slowly made its way down, test that reverse wave trend. Now look, you're back up above. So here's the top side of the power mean band on the 4 hour. Well, I'll tell you what, man, if this thing moved to 340 today, that'd probably be a good exit. I mean, I don't like to swing trade anything, but I'm not saying you can't. You got to get a workflow. You got to know when to get out of these positions, man. Because we know, right? It'll take all your profit quickly if you don't, even in traditional markets. Volatility's there. These algos started trading crypto and we're like, oh, fuck it, man. Let's juice up all these markets. And that's what's happening. All right, Copeland, good to see you, man. Good morning. Anybody in the watching on live on TradingView? First off, join the Discord. Doesn't cost a thing. Packed full of education. We don't charge for any of that. right? We got free volatility chart you can use as long as you're in the Discord. We got a free trial on our indicator package. Got a lot of stuff going on. No affiliate links, right? We're not onloading people onto any exchanges, no brokerage accounts. We don't do that. We're not looking to extract money out of you guys. Period. The end. If you find this useful, we've got something for you, right? Our indicator package, there's about 40 indicators, guys. It's not even $100 a month. There's people out there selling single, lagging, multi-time frame, stochastic indicators, dressed up with bells and whistles in colored areas for $300 a month. Are you kidding me? The guy that even created the damn thing said it's a worthless indicator, and people buy it. It's like he uses reverse psychology on them. It's amazing, man, what people buy. I could pull it up. I still have access to the piece of shit. But I don't want to do that. I'm not going to give the guy any fame for creating a piece of crap indicator. He knows it too, is what's sad. Talks about volatility, but doesn't have a volatility indicator with the correct math. Hey, if you're listening, you know who you are. Reach out, man. Reach out. This isn't an ego thing. This is a help you thing, right? You got a massive audience. At least give them the correct information about volatility. Quit fucking around. Sorry, Trading View. Had to throw an F-bomb in. But yeah, Earth Bear 4 hour, man. I'll be looking at the top side of this power mean band the way this is looking. Because this is a bull div pop, right? Look what happened right when it crossed the zero mean on the bull div. Bam! 3 4 hour candles. Boom, boom, boom. Now you're above the 33.9 log MA, the 9 and the 33, which is a power move in itself. Let's see if the 90 minute where this power mean band is. We could be getting close to the top of it. I'll settle down, Trading View. I'm hot off of cussing the vet out. So you got to deal with me. Start messing around with my dogs. Should have heard the fear tactics this lady is throwing at me about heart disease and heartworms and all this bullshit. I'm like, you see that dog right there? She's 14 years old. You know why she acts like she's 5? Because I don't bring her to people like you. She was just like, I think we're done here. It's like, yeah, we're done. So there it is. Look, reverse Fisher, top of the power mean band on the 90s, also 340. Buddy, that'd be a good act. That's where, if I was swing trading this, which I wouldn't be, this is what's hard. Because, swing trade, you're not going to be in very long. If I'm trading options on Microsoft, it's going to be like 45 days out, right? And I'm going to be selling options. I'm going to be selling premium. I'm going to probably buy the 20 delta wings, or sell the put, sell the 20 delta put, sell the 20 delta call. That's going to create, and usually that's outside like second standard deviation. Real safe. But just in case, you got to know how to protect yourself, right? Usually it's going to be a futures if you don't want to throw another leg on. But you can turn that into Iron Condor real fast. There's a lot of things you can do, man, to strangles. Good stuff. This is a great area, man. There's a lot of confluence here at 340. There really is. Let's see what the 45 is telling us. Earth Bear got his personal signals, man, now. No, he's one of the ones that hadn't been here long, but he's in this every day, man. These are the people I'm really willing to help out. Come on, populate here, UPM. And this is a hidden bull pop on the 45, right? The 90 was bull. So this is a strong move. It's even on the low length Z-score. Look where the freaking reverse Fisher is on the 45. 340 area. 340 area. Let's see if the 33 minutes up there. Hidden move too. Look on the 33, man. It is literally at the zero mean. When's this close? 1 minute. Watch this. That's the last thing you hear before a Kentuckian dies. Hey, y'all, watch this. I'm going to jump this holler on my 250. Oh, look, 33 minute. Where's the reverse Fisher? 339.45. Let's check one. Let's check the last time frame, 15, on just the daily workflow. Could change my mind. Could already be up there, but the way the 33, 45, 90 in 4 hours cooking, this thing's wanting some action, man. This thing's wanting some action. Okay, so look, you were outside the power mean band. Did you come back? Look where we're getting. Look what's getting ready to happen. You're getting ready to cross. The wave trend's getting ready to cross up the Fisher. You're in no man's land on the 15. That's what I'm saying on the 33, 45, 90. Those reverse Fishers are all in the 340 range. When that gets hit, these crosses get tapped. This is, I'm telling you, man, I would close that position. Because it gets up there and rejects off of those other time frame reverse Fishers on the 15. This is a great place to come back down. Test this cross right here. And you're going to be way outside the power mean band. Let's blow this up. I'll show you where 340 is. I mean, look, you're way up here. You're in no man's land. But it's looking like it wants a push there, brother. It really is. Let's see if this is setting up. Yeah, there's no bear div at all either, man. No hidden, not even back here. Higher high. Higher freaking high. Let me get in the Alpha Voice chat. I'm not in there, damn it. See if people are talking. Yep, there it is. Thanks, my not doing it. Maybe talked about a bit ago about the dip. Kept dipping. Okay, gotcha. Yeah, it is. Look at the 15 starting to drop in the trend. This thing's probably going to be at 340 before you know it. Let's see. Yeah, we're already trending on the 33. On the 45, and just got that 33-minute candle cross the zero mean, right? It crossed the zero mean. Can it stay? Can it bounce right here? Can it bounce on that hidden? Because right now you got a lower high if this thing turns down. And what's that? Hidden bear. But I'm telling you, man, you're trending. You are definitely trending, and you are real close. I would front run it at 339, to be honest. Probably front run it at 339. Look, here we go. So we just actually, you're crossing the zero mean on the 45 right now. A couple points here isn't anything. Push that up real quick. All right, that's enough on old Microsoft. Yeah, SPY cooking, huh? Go, baby. Let me put this back on SPY. I'm in an active trade that I will be getting out of. Yeah, but look. Yeah, Microsoft. There you go. What is that? First resistance level on the daily? Yeah, it's right there. First resistance. Look where the 340 is on the VRE. Pretty much right at the second resistance level on the daily volatility range. Top side of the 68.3. This is what you're going to see. You see how these distribution levels fluctuate? Standard deviation of returns is volatility. When you have very volatile moves, the standard deviation levels fluctuate. They will move. All you got to do is reset your chart. They'll flatten out. If I did it right now, this 68.3 Laplace would populate right here. That's where it is right now. So if that ever confuses you, that's all you got to do is reset the chart real quick. It'll flatten everything out. I always do it after big volatile moves. Oh, I'm liking this. That's a no-brainer, man. All right, SPY. Exactly what I was planning on. Let me see here. Almost wish I would have gotten more contracts. It's all good though. Yeah, if I'd have went in my buys, if I can snag 5 of them, I'd already be up $100. Let me see here. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Bought that baby at 20 cents. It's at 41 right now. I'm only in one. Little moves, little buckets, tiny bucket. Here's the first resistance level on SPY, 436.90. Look at VIX, man, down 1% now. This thing's pulling back. So is intraday. Intraday's about to break 20. These markets are cracking me up, man. The Fed's trying to wreck everything. The buyers are like, no, thank you, you scammer. Get your ass out of here, pal. What a joke, man. These people are a riot. Not having it. The big firms are like, fuck. Go back to the hole you came from, buddy. NASDAQ. Wow. Gold 1908, huh? I want to see that gold move. I want to see the gold move. So what's oil doing on the VRE? Oil's having a nice pump candle. Don't like seeing that. Top side of the 68.3 right now. Was finding support on the 4-hour 68.3s, ranging in between them every 4 hour. Actually dumped that 4-hour candle. Dumped all the way to this 95.4. And then immediately, there's a 68.3% chance that candle's going to close up here. Boy, it pulled up hard. Look at the last 15-minute candle, right to the first standard deviation. Perfect. Now this thing is right, just sent a wick to the center of the daily range. Oil did. Oral's moving. Okay. Natural gas, ugly. Airbnb making a move again. I triple dipped on that thing early in the year. 3 winning options trades on that pup. That and what was it? Airbnb, Uber. What else? Can't remember. I'd have to look. Oh, what's that? Netflix? Netflix up 3.61. You know what I was almost thinking too. What's NASDAQ minis doing? Yeah, they're up 0.5. NASDAQ up 0.8. All right. Tell you what, man, these bulls are relentless, man. They are not letting go. But also in traditional markets, I wasn't seeing a lot of div, man. A lot of clean charts. What's that telling you? I'm telling you what, man. Dude, if these bears are just like, can't beat them, join them. Guys, if you're a bear right now, you are dicking with fire. You really are. Especially, look at the fucking, wow. Look at these bonds, man. Everything's down. What are the futures doing? Commodities are getting smoked right now. Rice especially. What's going on? What's going on in them rice paddies? Wheat, soy, corn. Bond futures up a little bit.
Yeah.
A lot of
Sol
the tech
and
stocks.
Ethereum.
Sol and yeah, what's going on with Sol?
Yeah, those guys are. So Sol just bumped and the new weekly mean. Literally missed it by 1 cent. So it's a little bit more bullish. And Solana's just on the rip. I was like 30 seconds ago. Okay, let me go see what Solana's doing. And it's trending a big delta, nearly $0.50 already.
Pop it on Sol real quick. So this, oh, geez, hello. Yeah, and that's, you got VIX dropping. What Dixie? Dixie must have just freaking sent a, let me see some real quick. Starting to pull back. Yeah, I'm telling you, man, crypto, people sleeping on crypto, man. Everybody's like, oh, it's going to dump. Okay. Okie dokie. You better be careful out there. Oh, you freaking bull. It's so fun to be a bear. I understand. So from what I understand, Robinhood was force liquidating all the Solana and Matic positions on Robinhood. I don't know if they're like getting rid of the trading pairs because of the shit going on. But you got a corrupt SEC going after crypto. You guys, this is all BS, man. Stop watching the fucking news. Stop it. Solana at some point is going to rip, man. People are going to FUD it. And that's what a lot of this pullback was right here. Somebody give a shit less, to be honest, but yeah, that's where we're at with that. Maybe it's over. Now Solana's ripping because he was telling me everybody's spooked. I was like, yeah, that's because they're just watching the news. It's all good. News is spooky. I don't even have TV, man. I could care less. What's happening in my little world? We have, look at that fucking, we have the worst air quality. It's like a record right now where I'm at. I mean, it looks like fog, but it's all this smoke. Holy shit. Look at that. You see this mother? Look outside. She got her earphones in. She don't care. Hilarious. So yeah, Sol, bottom of the weekly right here. Let's see Solana get back up in this weekly range. Actually, yeah, nice little pop. 439. What is that to 435? Move your ass up there. Found some nice support on that reverse wave trend. That's fine on the 45. I want Solana though. Let's see. First, problem with Sol, you're not going to get a big read. Not even going to get a variance read on the 5-day. Okay, yeah. So you've been outside the power mean band. What's the top side? About over $20 again. That's what I was telling somebody. I was like, Sol's about to bounce to 20 probably, without even freaking looking on the charts. Let me see. Yeah, outside the power mean band big time. Look at the reverse wave trend on the 3-day. 20.59. 2-day. We got here 19.7. It's a daily. 18.4. What's this 4-hour doing? Some choppy action. Choppy. Clean charts, though. Clean charts everywhere. There's the wave trend test. What's the 99 up here? 17. I'm waiting to see what happens when these traditional markets close on Friday. You know what happened last weekend, right? Crypto was pumping a little bit. 340. Let me see. It's 337. Yeah, man. Whew. A lot of bleeding. It's a bonk. Bonk's up 20%.
VIX now hitting a weekly -1 VRE.
Oh, wow. Jesus, man. That thing spilled out. Holy crap.
Yeah, bled, eh?
Yeah, what the hell? Yeah, dude, this continues. I think SPY's going to rocket ship, man. Very well could. Kind of pulled back a little bit, but VIX is going to do this. You can see the common theme here. Yeah, it's right at the bottom of the weekly, man. Right at the bottom of the weekly. It's definitely something I really don't like to chart, but you can. I mean, does it respect it? Proof's in the pudding, man. Look at last week. Look at that weekly range. Look at that perfect rejection off the bottom of the weekly. Then you close the week right there. Bam. First standard deviation. It ran up early in the day, rejected off the weekly range, dropped down, first weekly support level, pumped back up to the 1 SD by the end of the day. And then look at that massive gap. So here we are. This is actually, wow, man. You drop below this weekly, this ain't going to fly. VIX, this baby's going to just, bottom's going to drop out of it. Be a good thing. Good thing
Yeah,
for
I'm
these
thinking
markets.
there's a target here to be hit on VIX at 1334. If that even means anything, I don't know.
Like I said, I don't really chart it a lot, but the one I do put it on is the BRE. Let's see where these levels are at. You can see they're respected.
Yeah.
I highly suggest not charting VIX with traditional TA. You need leading levels. Leading levels matter. Some water. 340. Yeah, let me pop this on SPY real quick. Yeah, there goes talking about in the chat, Earth Beer. Yeah, he's talking about Microsoft, I think. Talking about Microsoft because yeah, it's a little over 337 right now. SPY, here you go. Oh, you poor bears. God, people, take your profits. Hopefully they did. I know the algos did. Algos did for sure. Think they ripped it up? Were the bulls waiting at the center of the weekly here? Look at the wicks through it, man. Power algo. Coinbase up 6.2%. Damn, back up almost $75. Like that. Like that indeed. Yeah, VIX dropping hard, man. Almost what down? It was just down 1.75. But here you go. First weekly resistance level up here. Here is the 4-hour. That's the top side of the 68.3, actually. What's that at?
QQQ, 1
436.
minute, is definitely fighting over, I think it's a daily range, looking to close above. If it does, it'll get the continuation. If it goes below, it'll get denied back to the weekly mean, which is about
Oh,
a
let me check this
$5
out.
move.
Morning, good morning, good morning. Okay, nobody in the TV chat. It's all good. I'm here for you, Trading View. Yeah, you were talking about Microsoft. Cool, man. And if you're listening on TradingView, all you got to do is come in the Discord. You can speak freely on the stream, ask questions, all that fun stuff. But yeah, if you're not into the Discord thing, which a lot aren't, including me, I'm just there for culture, I guess. You can ask in the TV chat anytime. You want anything looked at, not a problem. I'll pull it up for you. I will pull it up. Starting to see here what's going on. Let me see. Need to drop down 15 minutes. Power move to that 15 drop. Aha, random walk, man. Random freaking walk. Yeah. Yeah, 33. Remember
Triple
30.
Q, 1 minute. You reckon it's going to pump or dump? I'm guessing it's going to dump.
What,
It's
SPY?
already extended. QQQ.
QQQ.
Or I'll eat my pants. It just did not do what I said.
QQQ looks strong, strong,
Looking for
strong.
continuation.
I don't know about no dumps. Triple Q's is looking good. I mean, you got the returns oscillator way up, but dude, there's no div. Starting a trend on the 15. What's this 4 hour look like? Yeah, bull div, man. Bull div all over the place. Random walk. 67.90. Yeah, you were talking something on the 1 minute. Let's see what's happening here. Yeah, there was a little pullback on the bear. Setting up hidden bull, though. Setting up more hidden bull right here. 2400 slowly making its contraction. This is why on these low time frames, man, you see all these volatility levels low. You're getting ready to get a big pop. Here we go on the 1 minute though. Low length, negatively correlated. 981, negatively correlated. Expanding. Starting to expand. Gets this little pullback here. Let's reverse wave trend down here. 364. About a point below. Exactly a point below to the penny. 2Z penny. Yeah, I don't know, man. Definitely an early run here. Like I said, most of these low time frames, there's no div at all. It's you're getting ready to break the zero mean and set up hidden bull. Powerful. Powerful. Let's see where the minis are at here. What's happening? Yeah, hidden. Not even close to crossing the zero mean yet. And that's what you'll learn with this returns oscillator. The move can start like it is, but when it crosses the zero mean, that's when you usually get the real move. The real move. Especially if it's regular div, right? Trend changing divergence, not continuation. That's what hidden is. Hidden divergences are continuation divergences from the previous move. In most of you remember the Bitcoin moved from like $250 to 20K back, started September 2015 at $215 or $232 or something. And then ran 20K. Literally all those bounces were off the top side of the power mean bands on the macro time frames on hidden bull plays. Just bounce, 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 bounce all the way up. Started on a massive bull move on macro time frames and then just continued on for months. I'm talking like on 3-day, 5-day, weekly charts. Hidden bull moves. Party freaking time. Yeah, Dixie's pushing. But VIX is dropping. Interesting. Tricky markets, they are. And there's gold, 1906. Slowly but surely, baby. Slowly but surely. Peter Schiff. Should have sold all your gold over 2K and bought Bitcoin. When gold was over 2K, Bitcoin was literally at what, 15, 16,000? And now Bitcoin's literally ran. Right? 100% move. You kidding me? Gold pulled back. Your fortune would be a fortune. People don't see it like that. They don't understand. Bitcoin's the real deal, man. He's buying ordinals, but not the underlying, which I've never believed. Him and Jamie Dimon sit around having a circle jerk together saying Bitcoin's trash and I'm not buying it. And the same day they buy $500 million worth. That's Jamie Dimon, by the way. Literally reached out, sent an in-house memo. Any employees caught buying any cryptocurrency, you will be terminated. Same day, bought 500 million in BTC. I mean, it's a joke, man. You can't make this shit up. It's the future, man. Future. The biggest wealth transfer in history. People say it's already happened. No, it hasn't. You know when that's going to happen? When all these gold bugs finally figure it out, right? It's going to be a bad day for gold if it's just like a massive freaking exodus. Oh, Jesus. I mean, what's gold good for? Industry, period. It's not a store of value anymore. For Christ's sake, nothing's even backing it. There's nothing. We don't even have any gold. Go to Fort Knox. You think there's gold in there? The gold that's in there are other countries' gold who are dumb enough to let the U.S. hold it in the first place. We gave up all the gold and gave it to China a long time ago.
We got microchips out of it.
Yeah, everybody got microchipped in the freaking vaccine. By the way, everybody's dying now. Just saying. A lot of heart problems. A lot of heart problems out of the old jabberoo. Please, people, stop letting people stick needles in you. We're in the matrix. The decision's yours. I'm all out of whack. My time, my brain. It's like 11. We should be ending, but we only going an hour. So yeah, that's good. We are fine. We are fine. What is that? Let me see something real quick. Is Microsoft continuing to push? Yes, 337.31, huh? Come on, get up there. Get up there for him. Netflix 3.8. Interesting to see where Netflix is on the VRE, man. That thing's been running. Or to be Coinbase pulled back to 4.6. Where's Coinbase first? Jesus, look at Coinbase. That is at, there's the monthly, top of the monthly, second resistance level on the monthly, daily 1SD right here. Probably a good halt point. Although, it's only 68.3 probability level. It's only the second resistance level. Right? What's the top side? What is the top side of the monthly, which is coming in hot? There it is, $80. $80. Crypto stays moving. Wouldn't be a bit surprised the rest of this week going into the close on the weekend. I think, what is it, Saturday, last day of the month? Get a new monthly candle on Sunday. That's what's going to be great about traditional markets Monday morning. We're getting a new weekly, a new monthly, and a new daily. I'm excited. Clear this day trade counter out. Stupid shit. 95 for Laplace today, 77.59. What's BTC going to do, though? What would BTC do? $30,300. Where did it reject from? Got back in the 68.3 Laplace. Daily range, topside wick got tested right there. Need to look at this on low time.
If it closes above 30,333 on the 21 day, it will allow for the hidden bull dip that's formed on the 21-day to play through. We don't want to be on the wrong side of a 21-day. I will say that.
I like the 21 day.
So,
I do like the 21
it's
day.
my favorite thing.
Oh, it's a 3 too. Power. Yeah, man. Let me see here. Yeah. Yeah, there's definitely a couple points of hidden. Boom, boom. Bouncing off of the second standard deviation band. Haven't hit the zero mean yet. It's on the Z-score too. Volatility contracting low length, negatively correlated. 981 expanding positive. This is the perfect setup for a nice big move. What's the top? Yeah, look at the top side of the power mean band on the 21 day. 40K Bitcoin. Been talking about it too. You bears are going to get absolutely nuked at some point here. At some point. Now there's probabilities to both sides. There's probabilities to both sides, but you just heard what Warlord said, right? I mean, this is exactly what you're seeing on the 21 day. Let me see. Yeah, and the weekly was a bull div pop off of the reverse wave trend. Reverse Fisher up here at about 37,266. That's a nice little cap there. Nice little cap indeed. Right now, there's no. I mean, you got a higher high, but look, you don't have. It's not a lower high. It's not a lower high on the data set at all. So if anything, just weak bear div, and I don't play weak bear divs. That's a weekly 5 day. Same. You got a higher high too. That's what you want to see. Got a higher high. You're above reverse Fisher. Look, you got the power mean band trying to break through reverse Fisher. That's what you want. You want all this to flip, man. You're going to start seeing it the lower time frames I drop down into. 3 day probably already all the way through it. Yeah. Now that's what you're looking for the 5 day, right? You want the 5 day power mean band to break through. You want to cross. You want the wave trend to cross Fisher. Look, wave trend down here. Fisher right there. 2 day. Oh. We lost the warlord. He's probably getting attacked by the neighboring village. It happens. He is the warlord for a reason, though. Yeah, setting up hidden on the 2 day. Returns oscillator hasn't turned up yet. So I think we're getting the massive move up to that area this week. No, I don't. I do not. When's that 21 day close, by the way? It's time we got. When did that thing load up? 18th, June 18th. Oh, we're getting real close. It's going to be in the end of the first week. About the end of the first week of July. A 21 day closes and you get across to the zero mean here, we could see a massive move in Bitcoin. Right? Everybody knows Bitcoin, when it has that massive move, it loves to move like 5 to 10K daily candle, just wham, just run it down everybody's throat. So let's see what happens. All the way down to the daily now. Setting up hidden. There's the hidden on the daily. But yeah, I mean, you got Fisher here. You're out of bounds on the daily. I'm telling you, man. Wouldn't be a bit surprised to see a pullback first, but those higher levels are gonna come. They are gonna come at some point. Let me see. What are you doing? God, Cardano's just flushing out. 27-cent Cardano. Get into the teens. Good Lord. Hey, I'm not opposed to a big crypto dump either. Give me some cheap crypto, man. Load it up. Back the truck up. Beep, beep, beep. We need a soundboard.
I'm thinking of stacking ADA once I've finished off my little vet bag to do now. Yeah, I think it could do. I believe. Wow. I would say ADA has a better opportunity getting to an Ethereum price.
Yeah, 100%.
Ethereum does have.
ADA.
That's sort of what I'm betting
SOL.
on. Psychological, more so than tools, but.
I'm not opposed on a big dip buying Matic, SOL, and Cardano. Why? Everybody's throwing all that shade on these blockchains? Dude. Nothing to throw shade at. It's just all BS, man. It's all BS. But, Matic, it's just like, have I ever bought Matic? No. But if somebody's into Matic, I'd definitely buy the dip, man. But Solana, Cardano, Yeah, this thing dips hard. I'll definitely be filling some bags. ETH, I could give a shit less about. It's a total gas scam. Always will be, in my opinion. They're always talking about it. And then the
It
people
costs
from
the same
ETH.
as a Bitcoin transaction, doesn't it?
What's that?
Or more. Ethereum, a transaction on the network costs the same or more as a Bitcoin transaction. They
Yeah.
haven't solved an issue. They've only just added to the problem.
Geez, the ETH gas is ridiculous. Here's the thing. Go right now and try to sell. Go try to send, I don't know, $1 million in Ethereum and see what the gas is. Go send $1 million in BTC. Not even going to cost you $1. Not even going to cost you $1 to send that. So now, people have learning real quick with these ordinals. You start sending around Satoshis, especially if they're old blocks. This is what people don't realize. Why is it costing me $10 to send one Satoshi? Well, hey, bro, that's like block 78. Satoshi. Do you know how many these miners have to pull up a ton of outputs to make this transaction go through? So of course it's going to cost a lot of money. That's what people don't understand. People are like, oh, well, look how high the gas fees on Bitcoin. You're sending one Satoshi. Go send 10 Bitcoins and tell me how much it costs. Go send one Bitcoin. Dude, it's cheap as hell. It really is. But the Ethereum gas is just, whoa. It's ridiculous, man. That's why a lot of people, they like Ethereum. My NFT traders on Ethereum are like, oh, these Solana, they're just a bunch of jackasses. Dude, people flip on Solana because there's no gas. It'd be the same way on Ethereum. People don't flip on Ethereum because you ain't going to make no money because of the gas. It's a joke. You're forced into holding Ethereum NFTs, really. You know how much it costs these people sell like one of those BAYCs or something? Dude, it's ridiculous. It costs a lot of money in gas, man. It's so insane.
Times four.
Yeah.
Because that JPEG has to go back to a ledger.
Yeah.
Nuts.
Yeah, you got to, I mean, it is nuts. It is absolutely insane. Really is. I mean, SPY wants to pop. Boy, Microsoft moving too, I guarantee it. Is it still moving up? Where you at? Oh yeah, man. 330. It was at 3037 and a half. Starting to push. I like these traditional markets right now. Yeah, a lot of these tech stocks, man, are moving. Yep, big time. Banks are all down. Looks like. Nah, you got Nvidia and Oracle. They're down a little bit. Jesus, man, my hiccups won't stop. Let's see. Schwab, what are you doing?
Yo, can I please ask?
Sure.
Would you be able to do an analysis on copper?
Yeah.
HG.
Oh, I got it.
Yeah.
At least I got or that's gold. It's my bad. There it is. There's copper futures.
I don't know. I'd just say like a daily time frame, or not necessarily to trade, just to see if this thing's going to go back down to.
Yeah, let me look at the 5 day.
Maybe try to set a hidden bull on that.
There's your hidden bear on the 5 day, getting ready to cross the zero mean. Look at the correlation building on this move. Copper could dump. But look, to where? Where's copper going to dump? Right? There's the last copper dump. It barely got below the power mean band before it came where? Right back to reverse wave trend. Copper to the, here, let's start from just what we can see. Copper gets outside the power mean band. First rejects off the 99 log MA, stays below the power mean band. I almost said copper band, the power mean band. Then boom, reverse wave trend. Pull back, reverse wave trend. Then you're outside of the top side, reverse wave trend. Finally breaks down bottom side, reverse wave trend. Powerful little indicator we have here. Getting ready to cross on hidden bear. So how far though? How far is the dump? Interesting. Well, you got reverse Fisher down here at about 3.4. 3.4. There's a good target if this thing really, if it breaks though. Look what's holding up. 21 day. 21 day holding up on the reverse wave trend. Look at a wick right to the last power mean band. Then it pulled back up. I mean, if you're looking at this macro time frame, right? I'm looking at that hidden bear on the 5 day. That would be a good target. It's not that far, really. Quick wick down to like 3.4.
Yeah, it's not.
No. But what are we looking for? Yeah, there was the hidden too. There was the hidden on the 21 day. Boom, boom, boom. And you really got the flush when? Right when it crosses zero mean. You get these two big 21 day candles, right, to reverse wave trend. Push through it a little bit. But now, is it setting up any type of bull? No, it's not. It's not and not and not. I looked at the 5 day. What's a 3 day look like? Same as 5 day. Nothing below. Here we go, setting up some hidden bull. Getting deep too. Oh man, the more I look at this, and I looked at that 21 day, finding support on the reverse wave trend. Look how low this returns oscillator is getting. And there is definitely on the returns oscillator from the bottom, a lot of hidden bull setting up. And you're at the bottom of the power mean band. This thing bounces from the bottom, talking about you're going to have Thursday and Friday for copper to make a move back up. Yeah, I just kind of flipped on maybe that thing dumping more, seeing this 2 day, man. And so I'm that's why you got to go through these time frames, right? 21 day, hanging on the reverse Fisher, 2 day, hidden setting up, and you're at the bottom of the power mean band. Bunch of yeah, from back here there's hidden. Back here there's hidden. Just another lower low. Z-score from way back here, yeah. And look, even on the daily, you're at the bottom side of the power mean band, pulling back up to get back up inside the 33. 2400's really low too. The 4 hour. Where'd this dump go to? Probably outside the power mean band, I would imagine. Locally, nothing hidden. It's going to come back from this data set right here. And you're already turning up and it's positively correlated. Yeah, man. The dump on copper could be about over, man. Because you're in no man's land. Reverse wave trend.
Yeah.
And wave trend's getting ready to cross Fisher. Not saying this could be the low. But locally, possibly. But you're getting ready to... This crosses a magnet, 3.8. We're talking a tenth of a point, man. It's not a lot. But it's definitely looking like this little bit of local dump's over. Not gonna lie, you got a lot of hidden. Boom, 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 boom. All those time frames. That's what I would think. Close, if not already at the local bottom. Probably gonna rip back up. And then does it reject from this 4 hour cross though? If it does, it could flush out big time and get a new lower low. If I was in a short on copper right now, I'd be out of it. There's no doubt about it.
Yeah.
I would be out.
Scott, thank you, amigo. Mucho appreciado.
Mucho much lovo.
Pow, pow.
Pow, yeah, we're speaking well. Pow, pow. Great. Fan-freaking-tastic. Yeah, look at the bowl too. Popping. Right now in the 90 minute, it's crossing the zero mean. Yeah, I would have to say locally, yeah. That move on copper is probably done. Now, would I feel comfortable enough in flipping my trade? Not really, but I'd be out of the short. Oh, yeah. Just looking at the premium on this, on my position, it looks like SPY pulled back. 435. Yeah, pulled back up inside 436. Let's see what's going on here. Setting up some hidden as we speak on the 90. Gotta love. Returns oscillator was coming down pretty freaking hard. Data set stayed up. Had that little bit of pullback. It's coming now, right? This is the new day right here. This was coming into yesterday. Setting up the hidden bull. Bouncing off of the freaking 90 minute. Yeah. We already looked at that, but you know. God, kind of looking for this top of the power mean band today. Doesn't have to, but you definitely got VIX dropping. Intraday too. Going into the last 2 days of the week, and you see this VXN drop below 20, and VIX continuing to drop, we could definitely get some highs here cooking by the end of the week. Very pow pow. Indeed. But yeah, I'm probably not going to go full strength today. 2 hours. We'll keep it short. What else, if anything, should we look at? Because I got, dude, just screwed my whole day up. Maybe I shouldn't have yelled it to that. Poor vet. Didn't know the Kraken was coming. Let me see here. Yeah, everything's pulling back a little bit. Still got a mixed bag in traditional markets, man. Nice spread. And you'll see it big time. Let's pull up the heat map. Let's pull up El Heat Map O. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah. Blah, 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 blah. Where are you? There it is. S&P. Heat mappage. Yeah, full screen. There we go. Yeah, mixed bag, man. Mixed bag. Tesla, Netflix, what's that down there in medical devices? Yeah, take a shove that shit. Who's getting beat up though? Defense, good. Warmongering motherfuckers. Let me see here. Whoa, down boy. Bring it back in. Yeah, tech's either flat or moving. Yeah, financial pretty much all down. Healthcare down. Consumer defensive down. Yeah, I didn't read the whole thing. There was actually, there we go. There's aerospace and defense. Kind of a mixed bag. Yeah, man. Interesting indeed. Definitely tech looks good. Not at big time, but compared to the rest of the market, yeah, total mixed bag though. You can see it. Total mixed bag. So we did that. Let me do real quick. Let's pop on old. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, SPY's just running around. I just saw they shot in about a dime a premium real quick. As soon as I pull up crypto bubbles, we'll go back over there. What is this crypto bubbles he speaks of? Well, you're about to find out. Where the hell is it? Where are you? Why are you being a pain? Dude, how am I not finding this right now? Where are you? Shit, dude. Have I went blind? S&P. Where is the S&P heat map? Good Lord. Where in the fuck? There it is. Good Lord. Here's these crypto bubbles. But of course, why not? Why wouldn't FTX token be up 20%? Sometimes I really hate this crypto space. It's so scammy as fuck. All right. So yeah, FTT token running. What a joke, man. Oh, because they almost covered. They recovered all the lost funds. Guys, it was a psyop from day one to bring crypto down. Did it work? Yeah. You think Sam and his goofy ass and nerdy girlfriend did all that? Come on, man. People, please stop. Open your eyes. Wake up. The entire matrix is a psyop. We got to stop. Got to stop with the news. Got to stop with all that. The VEPS, man. The VEPS. Now I'm interested. Now I got to go over and look at FTT token because it's just straight making me crack up. Let me see. You can see what this shitcoin's doing. I can't even believe they even let this shit still trade, man. It was just unbelievable. That's in Binance USD though. And it doesn't matter. Yeah, look at this. Fucking running. Wow. Hey! I remember when I was buying FTX token to get discounts. Allegedly. It was like $20 or something. What's it back up to? $1.50? Hey. What are you gonna do? What a shit show, man. This thing was down to $1.20, moved up $1.50. Yeah. It is what it is. Is what it is. Back to just take a peek at SPY. Yeah, it's rough house. And bouncing off top side. Top side of the daily. 2 wicks down into there. Some continuation now, possibly. We're getting some hidden bull. Let's find out. It's going to be low. 15. But starting on the 15, right? No bear div. Higher high, right? Higher high. Bam, 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 bam. Actually, I take that back. Wasn't on the, a little bit of hidden, right? Hidden bear. Not having it, though. Look, it's negatively correlated. Negatively correlated. Where's the hidden bull for this thing to pop? Right there. You can use the cross of the zero mean. Because where is that cross on the zero mean? It's right at the bottom of the data set, man. Lower low. Turning up. No correlation yet. No correlation yet. It's probably... The returns oscillator is turning up, though, you saw. And here it is. Getting ready on the 6 minute to cross the zero mean. From right here. Bam. Boom, boom, boom. So do it, SPY. Make a quick rip up here. I'd like to see the expected move to the top side today was 337. Bottom, 435. Only a 2-point range on the expected move. But you got the 1 SD through 438.5. Bottom side, 433.5. So you got a 5-point first standard deviation. Second standard deviation, 441.5, 430.5. So you got about 11-point range on the 2 SD on the daily. Sounds good. Sounds good. Okay. Okay, let's see here. Dixie pulled back a lot, looks like. How far out would that power mean band be effective? It's real time. What do you mean be effective? 3 weeks? Dixie pulled back a lot, looks like how far out? Maybe I'm not understanding the question. Yeah, Crypto Warlord says tough question to answer. Last time it takes the target, about to expansion, fast move. Yep. All good info. What is the blue cross line? Yes, that's normal distribution levels. Normal distribution. So on the VRE, the blue cross lines are daily normal distribution levels. Here, I'll show you. Let's scale this in so I can show you all the levels. This is gonna get real confusing real fast because everything's gonna tighten up, but I need to show you. Okay, so I'm gonna have 5 standard deviation levels, blue cross lines to the top side. First standard deviation, second, third, fourth, fifth. Fourth standard deviation is 99.9999% probability range. That's why when you get massive volatile moves and it breaks through third standard deviation at 99.7, look for a massive rejection here. Why? When you get up to the 99.99, there's a 99.7% chance the data set's going to pull back in on the daily and close inside there. There's a 95.4% chance after a big volatile move, it's going to pull back and close inside the second standard deviation. And there's a 68.3% chance it's going to pull back inside the 1 SD. So when it comes to Laplace distribution, I only have 3 probability levels. Here is the 68.3 Laplace. Those 2 white cross lines. That's the top side of the 68.3. 95.4 Laplace. 99.7 Laplace. That's always going to be usually outside what? 4th standard deviation normal distribution. That's why if you get a big volatile moves into this area, I'm telling you, Laplace has got wider tails to catch crypto moves, man. That's why we use it. Boy, as fast as they push that premium in, they sucked it right back out. Crazy. So that's what the cross lines are. Yep, blue equals normal, white Laplace. Exactly. Exactly. Then the skinny lines that you see change every 4 hour, you can see them, right? The 4 hour candle, new 4 hour candle, new 4 hour candle, new 4 hour candle, new 4 hour candle. That's how that works. So the white and blue lines, the colors are the same. They're just 4 hour. Blue normal, white Laplace. All the other colored lines, those are all daily, weekly, monthly volatility ranges and all their supports and resistances. Like for instance, today, the entire daily volatility range. That's another reason when you get big volatile moves, these volatility range capture price action. So right now, bottom side 425, top side resistance level on the daily 444, right? So you got what is that? What did I say the bottom was? Got 425, 425 and 444. Okay, so about what, 19-point range? Pretty big. Pretty big. That's why when you get these big massive moves, you have those support and resistance levels all the way to the top and bottom just to capture price action. Weekly even stronger, monthly the strongest. That's why. What happened with SPY? Let me show you something. This was last week, and I literally told everybody, there it is right there. Hold on. See this move right here? That was the local high. Guess what this red cross line is right here? That is the top of SPY's monthly volatility range. It's not the monthly, right? It's the top of the resistance levels. That's what it is. Look at SPY's monthly. Hold on. Let's move you up. There it is right there. There's SPY's monthly range. First resistance level, second resistance level, third resistance level. Last Thursday, or no, that was, a week ago. Let's see. Is it a week ago from? No, will it be 2 weeks? Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, it'll be 2 weeks ago Thursday, tomorrow. Or no, what is today? Wednesday? Yeah, tomorrow. 2 weeks ago tomorrow. I literally said SPY hit its local high for the month. I heard giggles. Whatever, no problem. All the bulls were laughing. Who's laughing now? It was the high for the month. I'm telling you. There it is right up here. 444. I think the high was about 433 and some change. Almost got there. Or hell no. It was definitely on it. Let me see what the high actually was. Got a wick right too. And that was the 95.4 on the daily. Yeah, a little bit below 444. 443.95. So that's what all this noise, people think is just noise. It's not, man. All these levels are very powerful, and they paint a picture. They tell you what's going on in these damn markets. Right now, you got the battle going on. Battle going on. Indeed. I mean, immediately you dump down, you find support on the center of the weekly, and you pop up into the daily 68.3 Laplace. So no, right now, 68.3% chance SPY closes above 435.31 and below 437.92. Now, I like when you breach to the top side of this level or the bottom side of this level, because what's next? First standard deviation normal distribution. So when I say there's a 68.3% chance when it comes to Laplace distribution, the data set closes in there. There's also a 68.3% chance normal distribution that it closes above 433 and 3/4 and below 440.18. That's the difference. Once you start using this and you see what happens when the data sets get to these areas, man, dude, I'm telling you, it starts opening up your eyes real fast. Real freaking fast. And now this is something you do get with the free trial. You only get about 14 indicators with the free indicators. At least the free trial for our indicator package. But that's enough. And you do get the VRE and the distribution levels that you overlay them. Dude, the code that goes in to create these types of indicators is unreal. Thousands of lines of code. It's ridiculous. So we couldn't code in the distribution levels into the VRE. So you can see, I just have them overlaid. All right, back up. Boom, there's that premium shot right back into it. Definitely skew to the put side though. 20 cents. The first strike in the money on the put side, 52 cents. Call side, it is, let me see. Or actually, that was wrong. My bad. Call side, 74 cents. Put side, $1.08. So yeah, it's literally 35 cents to the put side. Interesting, man. Interesting. People, you're paying for the puts right now. What are the market makers? What are they thinking? Yeah, well, SPY's a little data set, and the VEPS are just going to rip your ass. People buying calls now are going to get over on these boys. Possibly. Got to break up here. Here's the top side of the weekly. I'm telling you, if SPY can close a 15-minute candle above the top side, you're going to immediately batter the top side of the 68.3. If SPY can close a 15-minute candle above top side of the 68.3, and I'm talking first 4-hour candle too, because look what you have here. First standard deviation, normal distribution is right at the first resistance level on the daily volatility range. And you got the top side of the 68.3. Going to take a nice little volatile move. Probably volatility expansion on low time frames to get through this area. If that happens, probably going to make your way to close up here, especially with the second 4-hour candle, 440 area. That's the 1 SD on the daily. Have to see how this plays out, man. Have to see how it plays out. It's a Fed decision. 2 weeks. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, and that's kind of the things I don't even like. Fed decisions, stuff like that. I don't even worry about it, man. Really don't. Now, if you're trying to swing trade something going into the decision, that's almost like trying to like how people trade institutional gaps. A lot of people like to. And look, guys, I didn't grow up in a firm. I never worked at a firm. This is all self-taught. That's another thing people need to realize. The founders of Alpha Trading, not one of us ever worked for a firm. None of us have finance degrees, right? Nothing like that. We were retail traders that pretty much all at once realized, look, these markets are a total scam. They are scamming everybody. These YouTubers are scamming everybody. There's got to be a better way. That's when this was spawned, this volatility trading. This was when we started digging into this. Once you get leading information, you don't need any news anymore. Any news. We'll do some. We'll have some fun. Once we get closer to what the Fed decision, I want to show you guys the power of the VEPS. The VEPS create the news. Not when you're using lagging indicators, you're at the will of these guys, right? Because you're behind the 8 ball. I'm going to show you the power, and I'm going to tell you what that Fed decision is going to be before it even comes out, right? Just by looking at the volatility, because the volatility is going to grab a hold before there. That's how it always works. Always. All right, SPY. What are we doing here? What time is it? 11:30? Let me see if anything's popping out. I'm like, oh, we're not going to go as long. Well, we only got about 26 minutes for a 2-hour stream. Might as well push through. VIX still dropping, man. Down almost 2% now. Intraday's dropping. Look out. Look out. Even I've seen things run. Dixie's a total scam out of the gate. All right, let's know that right now. It's a little different. We started talking about this probably at the beginning of the year. I remember me and Yasha talking about it, just going, God, what the hell is going on? You got these real, like risky assets and indices. They're moving with Dixie. That usually does not happen. When Dixie shows strength, risky stuff dumps. Dixie loses strength, those risky assets just fly off the hook. We're seeing some massive changes this year. I'm not even going to get into why or what, except I know the US dollar is literally, we're seeing the death of it. They're going to be moving into these digital currencies. I've said this before. Everybody's like, oh, it'll be a slow process. Watch. They're going to hammer. It's going to be an overnight thing. You're going to wake up. Everything in your freaking bank account's probably going to be transferred over into a central bank digital currency. It is already, guys. Everything is just numbers on a freaking computer. It's a joke. We're already there. People are just been gaslighted. And we still got, right? Let me see. Right? Still, we still run around. We got a little cash in our pockets. Those days are about to be over. I'm telling you, man. They're looking for total control. But this people are like, CBDCs are going to crush crypto. No, they're not. Guys, do you see these pairs? Let's check this out real quick. All these USD pairs, all these USD, bruh, it's just going to change to central bank digital currencies. That's all. They're still going to be paired with crypto. What the hell am I hearing? Is that a creeper? Yeah, man. Yasha comes in immediately, starts freaking. Yeah, I started early, Yasha, at about 10. We only got about 23 minutes left. Perfect timing. The Fed Cash App. Oh, all this stuff's coming, man. And I've talked about it before, and I just said it again. Everybody thinks this is going to be a slow transition. Mark my words. You are going to wake up one morning, everything in your bank account, all those dollars is going to be flipped to these central bank digital currencies. That's how they're going to do it. They're not going to give everybody a chance to do anything. They're not going to give everybody a chance to make a bank run. Shit like that. They're just going to, boom. They're going to slam it on people. Some people don't agree with that. I know how the government works. They are scammers, man. They're going to flop this on everybody. So like I said before, let's see. Can SPY get up here? Close outside the 4 hour and the 4 hour 68.3 Laplace top side of the weekly range. You cross up here, first target, top side of the daily 68.3. But then you got the first resistance level of the daily range and the first standard deviation, normal distribution on the 4 hour candle. Got a little resistance here. Going to take volatility expansion to get through this area on low time frames. You close a 15-minute candle up here. I'm going to go out on a limb and just say like 438 because this is going to move 438 in a quarter. You're probably by the end of the day going to run up to the 1 SD. Now, whether or not it rejects from there at the end of the day, who knows? But I'm just telling you, this is how these levels work. Because if you get up here to the 68.3% probability level when it's coming to the first standard deviation and normal distribution, immediately there's a 68.3% chance you pull inside the Laplace distribution level. Same probability percentage. This is why we use both. Wow, man. It's slamming premium in now. Now it's to the call side. A dime. It was just like, what I say, 30 cents to the put side. First strike's in the money right now. 436 calls and 95 cents. 437 put, 86. So the call side. And the 437s I bought for 20 cents or 43 right now. 43. Only gotten one because I was just scattered. Just got done yelling at the vet. Mine's a little twisted. Should have been nicer to the sweet little Oriental lady, but she was running a scam on me and my dog, so I told her to shove it up her ass. My mom's over here laughing. She knows how I am. Tell him, Mom.
Yes, he's a bad boy.
I just don't let people get away with shit, that's all.
He does not. He says it the way it is.
When I entered this bio suit, I don't have that filter. Everybody's got that filter. I do not have that filter. That's why. The group of friends I have, tight. You could count. I'm talking friends I hang around with all the time. You can count them on one hand. You know why? People have like lots of so-called friends. Maybe you haven't noticed. Most are just acquaintances. Because I tell people what they need to hear, not what they want to hear. Right? Probably same reason why I've never been married. Don't keep girlfriends very long. Because they come walking out in some new pair of tight jeans. Hey, do these jeans make my butt look fat? No, your butt makes your butt look fat. Whoop! Woo! Exit stage left. It's like, jeans aren't going to make your butt look fat. You need to get on the damn bike and start riding again. What do you want me to say to you? I'm going to shoot it to you straight.
Emotional damage.
And I appreciate the same thing. Especially like I go up, help out at the restaurant, the family restaurants. That's what I tell everybody immediately. Number one, this is a kitchen. It gets fired up in here, right? Emotionally, voices pick up. You got to have thick skin in the kitchen. Anybody that's ever worked in the kitchen knows exactly what I'm talking about. It's madness most of the time. But it's like, if I come up, you do something wrong, and I want you to turn around and give it right back. Don't just sit there and be like, oh, he's being mean to me. Guys, those are the people I respect that speak their mind. These are the people I like. That's why I like the alpha traders, right? Everybody speaks their mind. It's lovely. It is lovely. Yes. Let the sharks loose. All right, we're pushing right here to the 4-hour top side of the 68.3. Should we make our eyes look like this and go down like that? What? Carlo, what's Carlo doing? Carlo fucks. That's our man. Let me check something real quick. All right, back over here. I'm saying you could get a rejection here at the top of the weekly.
2 hours later.
Because look what
it's going to go up, down, or sideways.
Or my bad. First resistance level of the weekly. You can see what happened yesterday. Pulled back from it, right? And then pre-market gapped down, but found support. Tight range here. Bears are probably camped out right here, getting all drunk on honey. Right about 436.90. And then you got the bulls right here, hanging out right at the center, chilling. Got the pool cue chalk up here, getting the horn sharpened. It's got a battle right here, man. Here's the battle. Here's the trench, right? Got the bears trenched in at the first resistance on the weekly. Bulls are trenched in at the center of the weekly. Something's got to give. Something's got to give. These last 2 days of the trading week, I mean, still, we got what? 4 hours? What time is it? 4.5 hours or something left. Something's going to give these last 2 days. SPY's data set is going to close above the first resistance level on the weekly and probably make another run up here to top side. You got to remember, though, where's that last resistance level on the monthly? This thing wants to run in the next couple of days, just like 2 weeks ago tomorrow. I literally said, you go back to that Thursday stream. What was the date? Let me get the date. So you can go back and listen to it real time, man. Listen to it real time. There it was, right there. There's the top side. And that was Thursday, June 15th. June 15th. Look, watch that stream on June 15th, and you'll hear me talk about this level. That will be the local high on the month on SPY. I heard some giggles. I did. Who's laughing now? Been down ever since. Getting a bounce now last couple days. That's why. I'm telling you, man. You start working your way through these resistance levels on the weekly the rest of today and the next 2 days, you could end up back up here, man. Could end up back up here. We'll have to see how it plays out. Today, I would like to see it close up here by the top side of the 68.3. That would be good. 437.80 area. And it's right by that first resistance level on the 4 hour. Or first resistance level on the daily volatility range. First standard deviation on this 4 hour candle. So now we just got the close on this 15-minute. Let me look at this 15-minute chart real quick. You're outside the power mean. No, that was on the other time frame. This is going to be right at top side the power mean band probably. Or outside it. Yeah. If anything, little bear div here, right? On the 15-minute, and you're sitting on top of the power mean band. This is going to be interesting to see what happens. I might want to trade. Don't want to close out this put. I just have a feeling this thing's going to push, man. I really do. You see this 90? I mean, the hidden on the 90, the returns oscillator hasn't even turned up. The 45 has, which I think it has. Yes. Just hanging right below the zero mean. Like I said, you can get these up moves, right? Without it crossing the zero mean. Hidden bull. But why did you? Look, it's positively correlated, right? There was no correlation here. The correlation went positive. It's still positively correlated. If this crosses a zero mean, you're going to see us bust through that weekly resistance level. And then on the 45, right, you got the cap up here, reverse Fisher at about 439.44. Bravo. Bravo. And then UPM wise on the daily, that's gold. Keep gold. Back up 1912 on the SPY. Yeah, it's going to be below, which is fine. Which is fine. But there's the daily ranges again, right? There's the top side of that 68.3 I was talking about. It is right there, 437.77. Right here. That's it right here. Just current candle. And that's what's great about all these little dots you see. This is the daily. Those were all the daily probability levels, right? Any time frames. This gets real powerful when you start dropping down. This is where you see big wicks. Wow. Wow. Not seeing a lot of wickage. I'm looking for a big move. Let's see here. Nah, we are on the 15. Save that for another time. Look how the 15, though, bounced right off that 30 power mean. Right off the 30 power mean on the 15. So where is that over here? Well, let's go to 15-minute time frame. I already showed it earlier. Watch when this populates. You're going to see the 33 power mean. All these wicks right here are right into it. It'll be like a little blue dotted line in the center or center top, wherever it's at in the power mean band. Boom. Actually, wait a minute. There it was right here. Was it that far ago? Let me go back here so I'm not talking shit. What was that? And let me make sure that is the 30. Got that set on 30, right? Yeah, 30. What the hell? Okay, you little booger. Okay, you little booger. Check something real quick. Let me check something real quick. Plot 233. No. Power mean, man. Where are you? Oh, that's right, because it's 33 over here. That's right. What am I talking about? I got it set up on the 30 and the 33, so it's not going to match up. Like 30, the 33 was right up here but instead you got the reverse wave trend. That's all. That's fine. I forgot those were different levels. No wonder it wasn't matching up. Okay, I'm not going crazy. That's the difference. But like I said, on that 15-minute, it was showing some bear div. Was showing bear div on that 15. Boom, boom. It's negatively correlated. Just lost its negative correlation now. Man, this thing crosses a zero mean on that little bit of hidden there, and it gets positively correlated. Could get a little flush. Could get the little bit of flusheroo. We're about to wrap this up, though. We are about to wrap this up. A day's out of whack.
Hello, this is ChatGPT.
Run it. We got a little ChatGPT, alpha ChatGPT freaking talkings too. He's loaded up.
Yep, absolutely.
Let's hear it. Yeah, I kind of like that. African crypto warlord. Arbitrage through CBDCs will make markets more stable. And your government more. Go ahead.
Great. It's me, Alpha Trading GPT. This Alpha Trading live stream is brought to you by Alpha Trading. That's right. We sponsor ourselves. We don't accept other sponsors. We don't run ads or affiliate links. We also may not be wearing formal trousers while we stream. But don't worry, we're still professional. Well, as professional as a bunch of guys who trade volatility, entropy, probability, and statistics in their underwear can be. Jump into the Alpha Trading Discord. It's free to sign up. We don't even ask for your uncle's Amex card number. Get free access to our volatility tools. Learn to trade volatility, probability, and statistics. We even have a free chart you can use that's pre-populated with the indicators you'll have access to. as long as you're a member of our Discord. Take as long as you need to learn them. Learn the tendencies. Learn the chicken tendencies, TM. Watch and learn from the tutorials and live streams. Amazing, right? Yeah, we think so, too. But wait. There's more. Once you're comfortable using the indicators and you've memorized the tendencies from the cheat sheet, check out our premium indicators with a free 2-week trial of more than a dozen of our indicators, including the bulk of those you see here in the live streams. Then spend those 2 weeks learning how to use those indicators, including the entropy, the RMLR, the projection boss, the power mean of the UPM, variance, the pseudo-Laplace Z-score and the returns oscillator, among others. After that, if you know what you're doing with the VEPS information and you're making good trades, well, you can always choose to subscribe and get access to those and all of the indicators we release to our subscribers. Alpha trading. A better way to trade. And a better way to avoid wearing pants. Human Overlord's butler's name is Nestor. I am the Profit Taker's voice bot and I thank you all for tuning into today's Alpha Trading live stream. See you next time. Same wolf time. Same wolf channel. Alpha Trading. A better way to trade.
Can we get that thing to say pow pow, please?
Yeah. Pow pow.
Pow pow.
Hilarious. You gotta love our bot. That bot's gonna wrap. It's good stuff. Good stuff. Yasha's about to be in the pow pow. About to get access to that Discord. I should be able to send him a whale today. We'll see.
I'll send him a VIP card. Yasha,
ready.
drop me your soul address.
I'm getting ready to go sweep. Look for a sweep today. I might wait a little while, but yeah, I'm thinking about sweeping. All right, guys. We'll be back definitely tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This shit's going to heat up these next couple days. Guarantee it. Guarantee it. Want to appreciate all the support in the Discord. Everybody's asking questions. It's great. Appreciate the support on TradingView. If you are watching this, you got some good information, hit the rocket icon for us, man. Get this out to other traders. And with all that being said, wherever you live at on this big, beautiful blue marble, have a wonderful rest of your morning, afternoon, or evening. See you tomorrow morning, folks. Peace.